City, and that's Mark! Happy Valentine's! We're looking for a flower for my best friend's hubby, and we are currently here. Umaampon! My gosh! Okay, magtatago muna tayo, but we will be buying some flowers here. Dito tayo mabakal. Here. Okay. Manago, tadiyan na yung kigaulan. Wala na red. You see how beautiful those balloons are. Sabi ko sa kanila, this is actually my 6th flower and my 5th rose that I received in my entire life. Kasi meron po tayong allergic rhinitis and sabi nila, na-intimidate sila sa akin. So, I don't really receive that much gifts during Valentine's. But then, I got, you know, these boys who love me so much, and that's why I love them so much also. And yeah, I'm enjoying this moment with my flowers, and now they are there waiting for our flowers for my best friend. And she say goodbye to the balloons. Bye bye balloons. Okay, so I'll update you later once we eat. All right. Happy Valentine's Day! This is the Esplanade of Rojas City. And show us your flower! Ta-da! Yun! And we also have here a cake. Ta-da! Okay, dapat ako gini nga konsukton nga. Ano no? Delivery fee? May mga bodyguards ang aton nga regalo to keep safe subong yung Valentine's Day. Ay! Knock knock! Pinupod mo, dog-dog! Huh? Ako na surprise mo! Ako na surprise mo! Wala, hello sir! Hi! Hatag niya! Hatag niya siya, please! Ako, kuya, pala naman! We are approaching Maria Gracia Samgyupsal.
Oh,
sila may exam. Ah, diba? Freshen up. And we have here a videographer. So let's try his skills. He'll be the one to take a photo of me and shot a video of Prince Bakers. Okay, here's my phone.
Look at this guys, oh.
Look at this guys, oh. Ako yung akong bagam. I can already eat. 4 sang ila pagkaon. Napanguha lang sa sauce. Ano na? Gravy. Hot sauce. Gusto ko hot sauce. Gusto ko hot sauce. Thank you so much. For joining us this evening. And ayun, wala na. Unod amon nga table. Amon nga table, amon nga plate. Thank you so much. Happy Valentine's Day. And of course, yes. Thank you so much, Lapa Flowers. Yay! Thank you. Bye-bye, everyone. Ayaw kayo nakahapit ka mo sa akong nga channel. Kung bago pa lang ka mo dili, pindot ang subscribe button, pati ka ang lingganay, kag hindi pagkalimding. Rubeinspired.